Hey YouTubers, it's me Chanel, and I'm singing Fifi Dobson Stuttering. Comment, nice ones, and subscribe. I hope you enjoy my video. There's a whole lot of things that I will forgive, but I just can't take the line here. I was by your side to the very end, till you push me in the fire. I tried to believe you, but something is wrong. You won't look me in the eye, tell me what's going on. You mean against the world, that's what you said, that's what you said. If you can't be honest with me, then I'm afraid this is the end. Hurry up, hurry up. If you ever regret about me, tell the truth, give it up. You sound guilty, cause it's not around. Can turn into minutes now, but you won't give me an answer. You can tell me this, you can tell me that, but don't say you don't remember. I know you better than you know yourself, so don't say I'm crazy. I know very well. You may get the world, that's what you said, that's what you said. If you can't be honest with me, then I'm afraid this is the end. Hurry up, hurry up. If you ever care about me, tell the truth, give it up. You're still guilty, 'cause it's not real. Please for the real. Please for the real. Please for the real. Don't wanna hear you sorry now. The best thing you can do for me is just spit it out. Don't wanna hear you sorry now. Stop stuttering your words. It's only making you look worse. Hurry up, hurry up. If you really care about me, tell the truth, give it up. You're so guilty, what you said it right. Thanks, YouTubers. I hope you enjoyed it.